Hello everyone and welcome to your Rayplicker tutorials. Today we are going to discover the Rayplicker Vision software. Let's go! When you connect for the first time to your Rayplicker Vision software, you will see this page. You will need to select a server from the list of servers available on the networks to which the computer is connected. Once selected, you will find a form to fill out on the left. It will allow you to create your user account. Start by checking your situation, select your title in the drop-down list, then write your name and your first name. Finally, click on the Create button. You will then see the list of users on your left. As you can see, there are already 4 users on this server. Click on your name and your account will open on the Patient tab. Since this is your first time using the software, it will open directly to the patient creation page. Once you have created your first patient record, if you go back to the tab with the same name, it will redirect you directly to the list of patients that you can now see. The arrows allow you to sort your list alphabetically. You can also see their social security number, age and gender. By mousing over your patient's line, you can either delete their record or modify their information. For a faster search, you can type directly the name of the patient you are looking for. The next time you want to create a new patient, just click on the button with the same name at the top right of your screen. In the Data tab just below, you will find a list of all the data of all your patients. It displays the information according to type, date, first name, gender, and tooth number. The arrows on the date column allow you to sort them by chronological order. If you are looking for a specific piece of information, you can type the name or surname in the search bar, but also filter the elements according to their category: photos, 3D, shades, or PDF. This page is linked to all the data, so you can add new ones by clicking on their dedicated buttons on the top right of the screen, provided that your patient file is already created. The next tab redirects you to the Academy tab of the Borea website. In it, you will find studies, tutorials like this one, clinical cases, or testimonials. The Setting tabs contains information related to your account, the software version you are using, as well as various settings related to your use of Rayplicker Vision software. You can also update your software via this page. Also, when you connect your Rayplicker Handy to your computer, you will see it appear on the right side of the page. From here, you can change the reference guide of the device or delete all the acquisition on the device. As you can see, we have at the bottom a notification tab with a red dot when an information has not been read. Here we can read that Borea will participate in the next exhibition in Rimini. If you want to reduce the gray column, press the arrow at the bottom right of it. We have 2 more tabs to see on the program. I will start with the one at the top right of your screen. You will see your username and an arrow. Click on it and you will see a drop-down list. These are the items related to your user account. If you click on Logout, you will return to the home page and be able to access other user accounts. And if you click on My Account, you will arrive at your information page. Here you can fill in your information with phone and email, as well as your address. For any modification, click on the Save button so that they are taken into account. It is also on this page that you will be able to delete your accounts, as you can see on the top right. I will finish with the last tab, which is at the very top of the gray column, below the Rayplicker Vision logo. It's called Borea Connect, and it shows up with a colored dot that informs you of its connection status. It is an online platform that allows you to place your orders. As this is my first time using it, the button appears disconnected. When I click on it, I'm asked for my Borea Connect email and my password. You will have to create your account on this platform. To do so, double-click on the Borea Connect icon and create an account, or click on the Borea Connect button. This will open a page in your web browser. Dedicated tutorials have been created to guide you through the creation of your Borea Connect account, as well as the linking of the Rayplicker version to the platform to place your orders. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you soon for new tutorials.